Multiple renditions allow viewers to choose the best quality for a video or audio to run smoothly under any network connection. In this video, we will be looking at creating multiple renditions for audio and video evidence in VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management. You can view the renditions available in your portal through the control panel. Click on the left of your top menu bar and select the control panel under Admin. Under the Encoding tab, select Encoding Profiles. Here, you can view the different renditions available for your media. Using the toggle button, you can enable the selected renditions for your video and audio evidence files. Viewers can then choose to play evidence under these renditions depending on their network connectivity for a smooth playback experience. You can also add your choice of encoding profile and set it as default. You can also download your digital evidence under these renditions for viewing on your desktop, mobile, or tablet. By the way, VIDIZMO allows you to add and manage encoding profiles to suit your organizational requirements. You can enable and disable it according to your needs. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management. Stay tuned until next time.